This video is a quick guide on how to add new input fields, delete input fields, and how to delete a calculator. First, how to add input fields to your calculator. Go to GS2Web SaaS add-on, then click Calculator and go to Settings. There you find sub-menu, Add Input. When you click, a pop-up will ask how many inputs you want to add. Put a number and that many new rows will be added after last input row. It is important to note that new input rows are always added at the end of input rows. Now, how to delete input fields. The Delete Input Field submenu is within Settings. When you click, a pop-up will ask for the number of input fields you want to delete. Put a number, and that many new rows will be deleted after the last input row. Similarly, when you want to delete an existing calculator, do not delete the sheet containing the calculator. You must delete the calculator by going to Setting and clicking Delete Calculator sub-menu. Once you delete the calculator, your allowed number of calculators reset. So you can create a fresh calculator. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for more update.